Good afternoon, folks. Big Bo here with another great clearance price travel trailer value from Parkway RV Center. Today we're going to do a hybrid. Don't get many of these used, folks. This is a 2008 Jayco J-Feather. Model number is a 19 hybrid. It has two canvas pop-outs, both in great condition. This is a nice little camper for under $8,000. I mean, this is a very affordable very affordable camper, and it's in great shape. 3,500 pounds, can sleep up to 8 people. I mean, perfect for small families that don't want to have to drive a big tow vehicle. This is something you can tow with most mid-size SUVs and mid-size pickup trucks without any problem. Jayco, of course, at the time this was built, was the largest privately owned manufacturer in the RV industry. 80% of their workforce were either Amish or Mennonite. Now they're owned by Thor since 2015. But back then, I mean, they made a good product, and the J-Feather, if I'm not mistaken, is the best-selling travel trailer series of all time. But it's lightweight, it's a dual axle, easy to tow. It's 19 foot when you're towing it. But the advantage of a hybrid, you got about a 26, 27 foot camper when you're set up. So you get the benefits of a longer camper when you're camping, but you get the towing benefit of a smaller, lightweight camper that's easy to handle and park and all that. Some cool options it's got. It's got a large power awning, you know, so it's easy to set it up and down. Tires look great. It's a 19H, I'm sorry, folks. Tough shell, aluminum frame, of course, vacuum laminated walls. I mean, it's built right. Looks great, affordable. I mean, folks, this is something you can go to your local bank or credit union and get you a personal loan for or in an hour. I mean, it's priced where you don't have to get 10-year financing to get an affordable payment. Look inside, folks. You always like to look at the floors in a hybrid, especially around the door. Make sure there's no stains. There's not. Everything's solid. Look at the canvas. No mold or mildew showing. Has no funky odors in here. No pet or smoke odors. I mean, look how much room you get in a 19-foot camper. You got a queen bed in the front. The canvas, again, looks great. No holes. I don't see any little pick holes in it or anything like that. No mold or mildew, so that's a good sign. You got a table booth that makes a bed. You've got a couch that makes a bed. Two separate beds, I should add. Got a little HD TV overhead, rooftop air. Got the big refrigerator for this size camper. You know, a lot of these small campers, they don't have the big refrigerators. They don't have an actual oven. They just have a microwave and a stovetop. So it's got some cool features. And most of them, most 19-foot campers have a wet bath. They don't have the bathroom with a separate shower. This one does. Then you've actually got a little tub there for kids, and you can see the shape of the stickers. This thing hasn't had a crazy amount of showers and baths taken in it. Doesn't have a lot of use showing on it, folks. Side kitchen, you can see the stovetop. Very little use showing on it. Got a microwave, double sink. Most lightweight campers like this have a single sink. Plenty of lighting in here. Nice little camper, folks. Pretty day like this, you can unzip that canvas. You got a screen to let fresh air in here if you don't want to run your rooftop air. It does have a furnace, got a water heater. This is probably, actually, you know what, folks? Most of these are full-size beds in the back, but thanks to this folding mattress, you've got a queen-size bed in the back. And you got a privacy curtain, too. Neat little camper. Really is, especially for $79.95. And that's and even got your it's got your lights and fans that go into the front and rear beds, so you can sleep 4 people in here without having to use your couch or table bed. And another nice thing about these, unlike pop-ups, you don't have cables and pulleys and gears you got to worry about. You know, 10 minutes you can set both these beds out. And if you don't want to set these beds out, let's just say you're pulling in somewhere overnight, you've got 2 or 3 people to sleep, you can leave these beds folded in. All they do is the mattress becomes the wall when they're folded in. So you still got your table and your couch bed without having to put your beds out, or you can put one out, both out. I mean, they're a very versatile style camper. You can look at the ceiling, no signs of leak damage, wrinkle spots, water stains, none of that. The walls, same thing on the walls. I mean, for this price, in this age RV, this is pretty impressive. Now, folks, just a reminder, $79.95 is the option A haggle-free price. We don't haggle prices. Doesn't matter if you're paying cash, trade, or finance, or a combination of the three. Let me tell you how the clearance price works. Clearance price RVs like this one, $79.95. What that includes, of course, is a clean 2008 19H Jayco J-Feather hybrid. Also includes a extensive major systems check by our certified RV techs that will be completed after purchase. Anything we find wrong on our checklist, we repair it or replace it before you pick it up or before we deliver it at no additional cost to you. So if we have to put a fridge or an air conditioner or an awning on it, we're going to do it. The price is still $79.95, no matter what it costs us for this thing to pass that inspection. Included also is a one-on-one walkthrough by the RV tech that checked it out. He's going to spend some time with you, especially those of you, this is your first camper purchase. He's going to spend a little time with you, show you how to operate everything, how to hook it up at the campground, how to turn everything on, tips, tricks, pointers, things like that. Anything that he had to do to it as far as repairs, he's going to show you what he did. And he's going to know it better than anybody because he's done spent well over a day checking everything out. That's included for that $79.95 price. You also get a year's worth of free camping at as well at select RV resorts nationwide. Contact us for details on that, but just to give you the details in a nutshell, you get up to 21 nights for the first year, free of charge, no service fee or none of that junk. You also get up to 21 nights total, 7 nights at a time. Up to 7 nights at a time included. Also, you get that. You get 30-day temporary drive-out tag. You get a starter kit, instructional DVDs, and more. $79.95, folks. No extra fees. It is plus sales tax if you're a Georgia resident. All out-of-state residents will pay your sales tax rate when you tag and title this camper at the local DMV office in your home state. We also have option B, and on these clearance price units, folks, we're not getting rich off these. Most of these clearance price ones are at our cost or below. We're trying to move these travel trailers out. We want to get down to where we only carry motorhomes, fifth wheels, and toy haulers. That's our 3 big sellers. Travel trailers, there's just so many of them out there. And when you get online, when you find this same camper for 10, 11 grand everywhere else, you'll see that we really truly have this thing clearance priced. We do offer option B, which is if you buy the camper just like it sits, no walkthrough, no inspection, no demonstration, no free camping, we'll sell it for $300 off, which is $76.95. We also offer a 90-day nationwide limited warranty that's not included at $79.95, but can be added for $500. Now, our warranty company will not let us write a warranty policy on this without doing an inspection. So the only way you can get the warranty is to take the option A price. So basically, you've got 3 prices. $84.95 out the door. Warranty, checked out, ready to go, free camping and all that other stuff. Walk through demonstration. Or $79.95, you get all the same features without the warranty. Or $76.95, you just hook to it and go. And if you let us know you're coming, folks, we'll plug it into power, run a generator to it, let you do your own inspection of it. And then you can decide which one of those 3 prices you want to do. There's no extra fees, no tag and title fees, no dock fees, freight fees, none of that stuff. Nationwide delivery is also available. Contact us for a quote. Financing's available with approved credit. Of course, the way this thing's priced, folks, you can just go down to your local bank or credit union, get you a personal loan or get you a loan on the camper. Probably won't take you an hour or two. You'll walk out with a check. I mean, it's you can go, certainly welcome to go through one of our lenders, but they're going to want to see income verification. They're want to see all kinds of stuff for $79.95 loan. It's something you can get at your own bank or credit union. Like I was saying earlier, folks, you don't have to get, 48-month financing is more than enough for, you know, for no more than you're financing. You're not financing 15, 20 grand. Anyway, folks, give us a call, 706-965-7929, evenings and Sundays, 423-605-6747. Check out our inventory and our website, parkwayrvcenter.com or .net. We've got a nice chat feature on there that's really handy for basic questions, and that's 24/7. So subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be posting several more campers for under $10,000. Folks, I'm going to tell you, we've got the lowest prices on used travel trailers anywhere. We're just trying to move them. We want to use this space again for motorhomes, fifth wheels, and toy haulers. And not, you know, we'll still trade for travel trailers like this was a local trade-in, but we're not going to go out and buy them anymore, folks. They're strictly going to be trade-ins only. And that's just what we want to do, folks. I mean, I know it may make some travel trailer buyers mad, but, you know, we need the space for other things besides travel trailers. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, call us, email us, sales@parkwayrvcenter.com. Come visit us in person. I promise you, you come here to look, you're going to see something you're going to want to buy. I've got 140 used RVs here, all bargain priced, folks. Thank you for watching. Look forward to seeing you in beautiful Ringgold, Georgia.